Hello everyone, I'm Al-Vatar and today I'm going to show you how and why I fixed my old Sennheiser headphones using women's socks. I bought new socks, unworn, so don't laugh at me. At some point, I wanted to get back into music production. I wanted to write music, record vocals at home and use headphones to monitor the sound during video editing. I started to look for new headphones, but honestly, I didn't have enough money to buy them. Looking back, I found my old studio headphones Sennheiser HD200. They were designed in the 2000s. I bought them 15 years ago when I was 16 years old and had my own home recording studio. So I decided to use them because they still have great sound quality, but more on that later. After a few years of using this pair of headphones, there was a problem with the AirPods. As you can see in the video, there is a material missing from the speakers, so I had to replace it. When I was thinking of new AirPods, I first thought about buying them. I started searching online, but it's an old Sennheiser HD200 model and they are no longer in production. I even wrote a message to Sennheiser customer service with this question and they responded, but there was no quick solution. So I decided to take matters into my own hands, and women's socks seemed like a good material to restore old pads myself. Sometimes, even in professional studios, sound engineers use women's stockings as a pop filter. As you can see in the picture, even Michael Jackson recorded his vocals using something similar to stockings to replace the pop filter in front of the microphone. I know there is a big difference between a microphone pop filter and headphone AirPods, but I just needed something to put over the headphone speakers to keep my ears from touching them. I know that using women's socks for the AirPods can change the frequency response, but I think it doesn't matter much unless you use the headphones for mixing and mastering. When the job was done, I compared my old Sennheiser HD200 with other studio monitoring headphones, and I could tell that even 15 years later they are still great for tracking and recording vocals, also for video production. So it's amazing to me that Sennheiser developed something 20 years ago and it still works great. This little experiment helped me save some money on a new pair of headphones. I still want to buy new headphones for mixing and mastering, maybe open backs. However, I'm glad I gave my old Sennheisers a second life. It warms my heart. Thanks for listening to my story, take care of your gear and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting more videos about the equipment I use for my home studio setup. See you, bye!